Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Olu and this is the Body Mat design. In today's tutorial, we are going to be sublimating on cotton. Yes, sublimation on cotton. I'm going to show you another way of sublimation on cotton. I have done a video already of how to sublimate on cotton using the clear vinyl method. But this time around, we're not using the clear vinyl method. We're going to be using the white glitter method. This is the white glitter, like you can see. So we're going to be sublimating using this white glitter method. I have a hoodie here, which is not 100% now. I think it has 20% polyester, but we know that's not enough for sublimation. So instead of doing that, I am not going to be subbing directly into the hoodie. I'm going to be subbing onto something, onto the glitter vinyl, and then on my hoodie. See, that goes to say that's I don't know if you can say 80% cotton, 20% polyester. 80% cotton, 20% polyester, and that's what we're going to be using today for this sublimation. If you haven't watched my other videos on sublimation, I have said that sublimation is only possible on, it's not only possible, it's only going to work properly on 100% polyester material. If it's not 100% polyester material, then it might not be as vibrant as it could be. Then I explained a lot of ways which we can sublimate onto instead of into the our material if they aren't 100% polyester. So another way which I'm showing today is the white glitter vinyl. So the white glitter vinyl, the one I bought, came in a roll of white glitter, but you can also get them in sheets of white glitter. And then all you have to do is cut your design on your Cameo, or if you have a Cricut, you cut your design and then you print your sublimation design. This is the design I have now, and I have cut my white glitter vinyl to show what I want to sublimate on it. So all I'm going to do now is to sublimate this. The first thing I'm going to do is to add the white glitter onto my hoodie, then I sublimate onto it. I'll show you how I cut the white glitter, because in my last video a lot of people don't even know how to cut the base. So to cut the base, all you have to do is to trace your design, trace the outer edge of it, and then cut it on your cutting machine, which I'm going to show you how to trace that in Silhouette today. Then after showing you how to do that, we go straight onto the heat press to press our design out, and we see the results. But before then, if you're watching my channel and you have not subscribed, please press the subscribe button, because on this channel I bring you a lot of sublimation, embroidery, HTV, and a lot of crafty things. Whatever is trendy, I bring it onto this channel. Thank you very much for doing that. So now I'll show you how to use the Silhouette to cut out the base, which we are going to put on the hoodie before we sublimate on it. The base which we are using this time is a white glitter vinyl. I have showed you how to use the clear vinyl, but today we are doing the white glitter vinyl. So let's go onto a Silhouette. And before we do that, can you leave a comment? Do you use the Silhouette or do you use Cameo? I want to know the amount of people that uses this machine. I only use the Silhouette here, and I have the Cameo 4, Silhouette Cameo 4. If I have a lot of my subscribers that uses Cricut, then I can start doing both of them. I'll get a Cricut for your sake, and I can start showing you how to use both the Cricut and the Silhouette machine. Let's go to the Silhouette. And now we're here in our Silhouette studio, and all we want to do is look for the trace button, which is the one that looks like a toast, and then we select the trace area, and then we select all the design so that we get a trace area. While we do that, we want to make sure it covers all the area like that. Now I think that's all covered. What we want to do next is bump up the threshold, because at this threshold we still have, it's going to cut just everywhere. We want a block So we bump it up to 100%. When we bump it up to 100%, then it becomes like a block, and then we have the trace area. When we trace that, you can see at the bottom there we have the cut lines, and the cut lines is what we're going to use to cut our white glitter HTV. So now we are ready to cut because we have our outline at the back. We just want to make them, we don't want to group both of them, so that after grouping it, we can flip horizontally. When we flip this horizontally, then it's ready to be cut on our silhouette cameo. Now let's cut. Now we are at the heat press, and I would like to quickly pre-press my hoodie. So I take out the moisture from the hoodie. Okay. So my hoodie is pre-pressed, and all I want to do now is to get the middle of the hoodie, like when you normally want to put HTV. So that's the white glitter vinyl is an HTV vinyl. So I'm just gonna prepare it as if I want to do the same thing. Now I have the middle line. Now the first thing I'll do is to attach the white glitter. I tried peeling the white glitter to see if I could just do both the glitter, both the HTV and the sublimation together, but then I think this white glitter is too thin and it's gonna rip on me, so that's why I left it. I could have used a masking tape if I want to do that, but then I will just do this directly now. I'll just put it on my hoodie. So I need to look for the middle of my design and just pinch that way, and then I attach that 3 fingers or 4 fingers down, depends on what you use. I use 3 fingers for children and I use 4 fingers for adults. So now I have that there. Because I tried to peel this before, it's gonna be giving me some movements which is not supposed to happen, but because I tried to peel the vinyl already, and that's why that's happening. So I'm gonna just press this at 320 for like 5 seconds, not too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what I'll do is, this is a cool peel. I'll wait for it a bit before I peel it. I think it's a hot peel. Oh, that's good. Now that's gone. Then we make the heat press. Oh, Jesus. Now the white glitter is on my hoodie. Now I need to sublimate on the white glitter. I need to sublimate on this white glitter now. So I'll do a quick cut on this, just so I'm sure I will not have any ink transferred to my hoodie in a place where I don't want it. Now all I have to do is make sure they're placed. So I'll line it up properly, and then I'll hold it down with heat resistant tape. To cover here, and then we sublimate between 385 to 400, depends on your heat press. 385 to 400 for 60 seconds, and we can now see the result. And now we have a hoodie all sublimated. That's really nice. I'm happy with that. Vibrant. This is my hoodie all done, and I am happy. This is really vibrant, and the feel to it is just like HTV, even lighter than HTV because it's been pressed really hard. Like, it's a really good feel to it, even though it has some noise to it like that. You can hear the noise now, like. But the only disadvantage to this is like the guys might not want something shiny on them, but for the ladies I think this is good. And if you get a HTV that is not so shiny as well, that will be good. Like, the glitter is not too much, but with this glitter I am happy with it because I love it, and I am gonna rock my hoodie. If you love this tutorial and you think it's been beneficial to you, can you please give it a thumb up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.